Hello lovers, this is Chris Reed from Kismet Potions. That's KISMETPOTIONS.com. We are here today for our essential oil monograph series where we profile, oh boy, we're going to do about 75 different essential oils. So we'll just give them to you a little bit at a time. So the one that we're profiling today is one of my favorites, blood orange. So this is a recipe for blood orange. And all the other oils that we're going to have in the recipe also are available on our site, kismetpotions.com. So all the recipes are in 30 mils or 1 ounce, and what that can be in is just about anything you want. It could be in a lotion, a massage oil, it could be an aloe vera gel, it could be in distilled water. So in the distilled water, I just use distilled water and then just shake it before I spray it on. So that's a good one to use. And so this one is really good for sexuality and heat and passion. So I'm going to start at the bottom and start with the base notes and then move my way up a little bit. So the first one is cardamom, and we're going to do 5 drops of the cardamom. And the second one is Peru balsam. We'll do 9 drops of that. The third one is jasmine, 4 drops of that. Then blood orange, which we're profiling, and that is 9 drops of that. And black pepper, 3 drops of that. So that's our essential oil monograph for the day. Thank you so much for joining us, and have a prosperous and aromatic day.